Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Calculus Crafters. ABC is a right angle triangle. K is a positive integer. Find the value of K. So as long as ABC is a right angle triangle, we can write down AC squared is AB squared plus BC squared. Why? According to the Pythagorean theorem. So what is AC squared? It is root 3 plus root 15 squared equals to A squared plus 3 plus root 5 squared. So what is the expansion of A plus B squared? It's simply A squared plus 2AB plus B squared. Okay, so simply the expansion of the square should be root 3 squared plus 2 times root 3 times root 15 plus root 15 squared equals to A squared plus, again we're going to expand this square, 3 squared plus 2 times 3 times root 5 times root 5 squared. Okay, so what is root 3 squared? It is simply 3 plus 2. Okay, we can write down root 15 as root 3 times 5. Simply is 15 plus b squared plus 9 plus 6 root 5 plus, what is the square of root 5? Is simply 5. So yes, let's add 3 and 15. What is 3 plus 15? It is simply 18 plus 2 times, we can write it down like root 3 times root 3 times root 5 equals A squared plus, what is 9 plus 5? It is simply 14 plus 6 root 5. So 18 plus, so what is root 3 times root 3? It is simply 3 root 5 equals A squared plus 14 plus 6 root 5. 18 plus 6, 3 times, sorry, 2 times 3 is 6 root 5 equals A squared plus 14 plus 6 root 5. As you can see, you can cancel out 6 root 5 to 6 root 5. So now we will be remaining with 18 equals K squared plus 14. We can subtract 14 from the both sides of the equation, and 14 to 14 is cancelling out. Then you will be remaining with 4 equals K squared. Now in order to find the K, we have to take the square root of the both sides of the equation. Okay, so what is root 4? It could be either negative or positive 2. So we have to find the positive integer of K, then it should be 2. Why? Because we have to find the positive integer of k. Positive of k. Okay. Yes, that's it.